Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm a treasurer for the PTA at my children's elementary school. And I just wanted to take a moment to thank SignUpGenius for their platform. We use it for all of our events when we need volunteers to help with setup, to help run the events, to help break down, whether it's the book fair or carnivals, winter holiday shops, all those various programming needs that we have throughout the year. Honestly, one of the most challenging parts of organizing our events for the year is finding enough help. There's just a small group of individuals that are on the board for the PTA, but we can't do everything by ourselves. And so we need the help to run and manage the events when they're taking place. And so that's what SignUpGenius is so great at, giving us a platform for reaching out and connecting with other members of the school that are interested in helping and getting them on board to help volunteer to handle these events. So SignUpGenius has a huge impact on our day-to-day operations. In fact, it's made those operations possible. We need the help of volunteers and community members, other interested parties of the school to help run events that we have with the PTA, and we couldn't do that without the platform that SignUpGenius offers for us to manage and have a place, to have, here's what we need, here's when we need it, here's how many people we need, and for folks to be able to sign up and to participate and help come together as a community and work together to get these things done for our kids. We couldn't get our job done without the help of SignUpGenius.